Rigidized gets involved with several public art projects, and the project we're going to cover today is called the Jaxoscope. It's located in Jacksonville, Florida. It's a visually interactive art piece designed and created by Shasti O'Leary-Soudant. And here it is on display in Jacksonville, Florida. These triangle tubes were produced with an outer tube and an inner tube. The outer tubes are 316 stainless steel. Both 12 gauge and 14 gauge were utilized with our 6HC pattern. Tiny holes for lighting were cut into each outer tube face and then powder coated. The powder coat was a Tiger dry latch system for exterior applications. And in addition to the powder coating, a UV resistant clear coat was applied over the powder coat. If you look closely on the picture on the right, you can see the tiny light holes that were laser cut in the face of all the outer triangular tubes. The inner tube was produced with 316 stainless steel with a number 8 mirror finish. The number 8 mirror finish was needed for light reflectivity and for the kaleidoscope effect. Because of the intricacies involved with the tubes and the construction of the unit, Rigidized handled not only the fabrication and assembly of the tubes, but also did the assembly of the complete unit. The unit was bolted to a heavy welded frame and then loaded and protected for the transport to Florida, and it arrived intact and undamaged. Here's a photo that shows the density of the light holes along with a kaleidoscope effect as you peer through the triangular tubes. It's a fascinating piece. Here's how the installed unit looks in both daylight with the bright colors and at nighttime with the entire unit lit up.